Hello, my dear friends. My name is Abhinav Sangrai, and today I am going to launch my new YouTube channel. The name is TrueSecrets.com. So, basically, in this channel, I want to help traders to earn a lot of money and not in intraday trade, but it's basically a future trading. So basically what happens in future trading that we have expiry on every last Thursday of the month, and we can also go long and short on the both sides in each and every trade. So I have picked some good scripts according to my analysis. I am trading from last 5 years, and like other traders in starting of my career of trading, I have means I have hit many losses and now I'm recovering them and now I'm earning good profits. So basically I believe that future market is a good market where you can earn good amount of money. So these are the stocks I have shortlisted, like Yes Bank, India Bull Housing Finance, JSW Steel, Zeal, Adani Port, Wipro, HCL Tech, HUL and Titan. So basically I will recommend you to go with only one lot in starting, and 11/10/2018 is the date when you can start with these call with Yes Bank at 9:15 when the market will open. So at that time you can go with the buy call, and in India Bull Housing Finance you can go with the buy call. It's not an intraday trade. You have to buy it in normal position so that you can hold it till expiry, and I will tell you the exact time when to buy and when to exit and when to put a proper stop loss. So these are the things to note, that expiry is on 25th October 2018. Buy sell on 11/10/2018 at opening price, that is 9:15 a.m. I will update the exact date to exit and put stop loss. Patience is the biggest strength in trading, and you can invest in any stock but only in future lot. Again and again I am telling you, again in the future lot. So this is the lot size, single lot size, and this is the amount which you need to invest if you want to buy a future lot for the same. So hope you will definitely get good profit if you will follow my tip. You can take it as a tip, you can take it as a strategy, and on a daily basis I will update you that what is happening in these stocks, and I am 110% sure that by my research and with my strategy you will definitely earn. Thank you, have a nice day, and I will keep you updating.